Want to help your team stay focused, healthy, and productive? Let's quickly see how to set up wellness breaks in Desklog. Start by navigating to the Admin panel. From here, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, select Wellness module to access all wellness and break-related controls. At the top of the screen, turn on the Wellness module toggle to activate wellness breaks for your organization. Now choose how your team will participate in wellness activities. Select Strict if participation should be mandatory, Moderate if you want to encourage employees to take part, or Flexible if participation should remain completely optional. If you would like activities to be triggered based on focus time, enable focused activities. You can also set a minimum idle time, which defines how long an employee can stay inactive before focus tracking is interrupted. Next, go to the Short Activities section and turn it on to configure short and frequent wellness breaks. Set how long each short activity should run, and choose the interval between each short break. You can change the order of short activities by simply dragging and dropping them. Enable sequential activities to play them in the same order every time. If this option is turned off, activities will be shown in a random order. Now move to the Long Activities section and turn it on to configure longer and more extended wellness breaks. Set the duration for each long activity and choose the interval between these longer breaks. Just like short activities, you can reorder long activities by dragging them into your preferred sequence. Enable sequential activities to keep the same order each time, or leave it disabled to allow activities to run randomly. To enable fixed time breaks, open the Timed Activities section and turn it on. Then check the Enforce option for the individual breaks you want to apply to your team. That's it! You have now successfully set up wellness breaks in Desklog. Your team will start receiving guided breaks that support better focus, healthier work habits, and improved productivity throughout the day.